1. Generating content for social media posts or marketing materials. ChatGPT can be used to generate ideas for social media posts, articles, or other marketing materials. Simply enter a few prompts or keywords related to the topic you want to write about, and ChatGPT will generate a list of potential ideas or suggestions for content. 2. Answering customer inquiries. ChatGPT can be used to assist with answering customer inquiries or providing support through chat or messaging platforms. Simply enter a customer's question or request, and ChatGPT can generate a response based on pre-trained information or by accessing external sources of information. 3. Generating chatbot scripts. ChatGPT can be used to create scripts for chatbots that can be used in customer service or marketing contexts. Simply provide ChatGPT with a list of prompts or keywords, and it will generate a script that can be used to guide the conversation with customers. 4. Creating personalized email responses. ChatGPT can be used to create personalized responses to emails or other customer inquiries. Simply enter a customer's question or request, and ChatGPT can generate a response that is tailored to the specific needs or concerns of the customer. 5. Generating ideas for new products or services. ChatGPT can be used to generate ideas for new products or services by providing it with a list of prompts or keywords related to the industry or market in which you operate. It can then generate a list of potential ideas or suggestions that you can use as a starting point for further development.
ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸೋ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಜನರಿಗೆ ಈ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ತಲುಪಲಿ ಅಂತ. ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಚಾನಲನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಚಾನಲ್ನ ವಿಕಾಸದಲ್ಲಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಯೋಗದಾನವನ್ನು ನೀಡಿ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.